So hello guys, a small update on the candle experiment from the last time. So it turns out you cannot really use this this thing here. I mean this one, because it's synthetic, and the following happens. Look at that. So it's not burning, it's just melting and then just goes off. So what I did is I bought some equipment, so some stuff from AliExpress. This one, just smelting the wax there. So I have lots of wax here from old candles, so just trying it out to have my own candle. So yeah, a nice long spoon, and it actually works with induction stove. So yeah, I have here some cat food thingy and some old Muji, I think it's for Muji, yeah, some old Muji candle. Yeah, this one by the way as well, but now I will need to crush it because yeah, didn't really work. So I have now the proper lightning thingies. How do you call them? It's Docht in German, but yeah, how do you call them in English actually? Yeah, and there is stuff like this that you put here while it is cooling down. So let's try it out. So just finished cooking this stuff, and let's do some candles. Yeah, that's the candle blend now from all of the old candles. The candle blend. Oh yeah. There are some leaves for fun. So I actually put in the wicks. Now I know how they are called, wick. So actually John Wick would be a very nice brand for candles. Wondering if anybody did this. Keanu Reeves can do it himself. So one wooden wick and more like this. The usual ones, I think they're out of cotton. So yeah, looks good actually. So let's do the time lapse. So guys, it's ready. And if you are wondering why the heck do you see some random guy with some random candles here on YouTube, I'm actually also running the Candle Commander YouTube, just a side hustle of mine. Yeah, with one subscriber at the moment. Yeah, just filming some candles, very high quality macro videos, because actually I was looking for some meditation videos with candles, and it's either some looped videos, so they just do a 5-minute video and then they loop it all the time for 10 hours, or it's horrible quality, or it's some AI stuff, so people are just lazy. So I'm doing this candles, and you can see it on the Candle Commander YouTube that I will link below. So enjoy and see you in the next vlog. Bye bye.